Hello everyone. Thanks for the very warm response given to my promo of zero cost online teaching solution. I have received so many queries regarding it because everybody was worried about like how would it happen to have a zero cost sort of solution on the most demanding need as on date of schools, that is online teaching solution. So I'll share you the entire journey how it is going to happen. So let us go into this and see how this actually goes into a real picture. So this is the app which is going to make it possible, Edmodo. Edmodo is an open source app which is going to be downloaded by you, and I'll take you to the app and how it functions. I'll help you out through entirely into that. And we are going to be only charging for the training part of it. Everything is free over here. Your app, your open source content, everything is free. We will only be charging for the training and the support which we are going to give it to you. So let us go into the app now. So this is the ID of the app, which is as a demo app I am sharing with everyone. ID is chaddaruchika@gmail.com, and the password you can put here as demo 123 and go for the login into it. So let us see how it goes on. So we have come into the app now. So I'll remove this first picture just by clicking over there, and I'll remove my video also so that I can easily navigate you through the app itself, right? So you can see this is the first page of the app where Ruchika Chadda is a student and I am Rajneesh Chadda and I'm a teacher over here, right? So this is the app and this is the first page of the app or your activity page of the app. This page means that it is going to be a communication between teacher, student, parent, everybody. So they can see this particular page and understand what is happening in the classroom. Okay, everything. You can even send some of the videos. You can see that some of the videos are sent over here. I'll not go into opening that particular video. So videos can be sent into this. You can share some test also. There are some tests like test on solar stars and solar system. I'll just take you through that. So this is already taken test, so you cannot go through it, but I can show you the some part of it, right? So you can see how the test can happen. There are 10 questions in the test, and we can go page by page how this can function. So this is how the test is going to be taken on it, right? So I'll detail you how this is possible with you in that case. So we'll come back to the main page. The main page is the page which speaks about the communication part. So you can communicate over here. Now we will go to the more important part of it, why we need all these things as on date. Okay, I'll stop this. You want to see, I can just show you for a glimpse. Okay, these are just sharing material. We can share on the first page.
संज्ञा की परिभाषा संसार के किसी भी प्राणी वस्तु स्थान
It's really a beautiful app. So we will stop it and we'll go to the main part of it. And now we are going to my classes. So I have given class 6, 7, 8 and 9 to Ruchika. Okay, so we can go to any of the class. For a moment I go to class 8, right? So this page you have to come. This is the major or the most needed page. You go to folders and here you can see all the subjects lined up over here. So this app is going to be with the student, this app is going to be with the teacher, so they can be on the same page as and when teaching is going on. So for a moment I am going for maths as a subject. I have already shared ID and password of this particular app. You can sit down comfortably and go through the app itself and you can see the content. For a moment, suppose we are studying mensuration. So first of all, I would love to see the video of mensuration. So I'll go to the video part. Everything is on the same page. Once you go to the bottom of it, you will get the videos. So mensuration I am going to look into. So you can see that live video has come now. So these are all open source things.
This is Mansi from Event Hunting Church, and I'm here again with a new chapter number 11, mensuration. So this is an introduction video, जिसके अंदर इस chapter के जो भी topics हैं.
So once you are done with mensuration video, then you want to go into more understanding. Parallelly, you are getting learned from your teacher also, and this is to help you to have all notes and everything at ease with you always. And the same page is going to be used by teacher also to explain you things. So mensurations we were studying. Now I'll go to the mensuration notes of it. So it is getting downloaded. So this way we can have a good understanding of entire features. So this blink is showing that it is getting downloaded. Right? So So by this we can easily understand the entire concept and we can make things very much comfortable to everyone. So here we have entire details of things. It might take some time to get downloaded, completed. So we can see the entire notes are now in front of us. So easily a teacher can help a student via this also. Online teaching can happen through any medium. Say you are using Google, you are using Google Meet, you are using Cisco, you are using Zoom. So we can make them study through this. If you have got any difficulty in understanding how this will happen, I will help you out to do that too also, right? So you have got the entire notes available over here. So in detail you can see once as I have shared the ID and password of this particular app, you can go in detail and see entire things over here. So this is the mensuration notes, and then you have got question answer also of the mensuration given over here. So now I'll go to other classes also. Suppose for a moment I want to go to class 9th. So I have gone to class 9th. I'll go to folders. You have to go to folders. Once I'll take you back. You enter into any class, right? You have got three things. Post means it is again the communication amongst yourself of class 9 student. Leave apart that. You go to folders, which is your main need. You go to folders, you will get the subjects opened over there. Now from these subjects, suppose in this moment from class 9th, I am going to science subject. And in science, say for a moment, anything like, say I want to study tissues also, whereas tissues notes are given. So I have downloaded tissues notes. So it will take a moment to download things. But once you directly download, it is going to be much faster because I am doing it on two apps. I am recording as well as downloading. So both the things are happening together. So it is taking a bit of more time. But once you will be doing it directly, it will not take that much time. So these are the things which is as a notes over here. We are going to put other things also parallelly to it. So now once I have studied notes, I want to see the video also. So you can go down and you can see the video also. So tissue video, you can get it over here. Yeah, here it is. So tissue video can also be seen and you can understand the concept entirely. So we can say that this is the way how we are making it very much simplified for every teacher and every student to have everything in their hand at any moment, at any point of time. So this will help you to entirely understand the concept easily. Plus with this you can take test also. I'll come to that point also. How will you take test? And entire content can be given, your MCQs can be given, your tests can be given, your notes can be given, your even teachers recorded videos can be shared. So whatever functions can happen on any online platform is possible with these things, and we will be helping you out. Our job is to train you, to help you out, and to avail all open source free content, free material to you. That is what our basic lookout is. Thanks for the interest shown. I am really happy how people have come up to me and asked for the solution which can really reduce the cost. Thanks a lot once again. Call me at my number 982664434. I'll be always there for you to help you out. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.